Friends, welcome on Yourpedia, the largest online mentoring platform for any kind of interviews for which you can prepare. And now this my video is related to assistant engineer post in Assam Public Service Commission. So Assam Public Service Commission has declared the result of written exam for the post of assistant engineer, civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical under Public Health Engineering Department. So now this result has come, and now interviews will be conducted by commission. So the roll number of the students and for each category like civil engineering and then followed by mechanical, electrical, chemical are provided here. So also it is written that the dates of the interview still are to be announced. The date has not come so far. It has still to be announced, but friends, you should start your preparation as soon as possible, because Public Service Commission for the interview of assistant engineer, technical things are asked and HR is also asked. Public Health Department of Assam Public Service Commission, you should have some knowledge about Public Health Department, for which we will give you document also. At the same time, you should also know what things you have to focus, what you have to prepare related to Assam government, policies of the Assam government. There are a couple of websites. I will be making dedicated video on this, like how you are to get the information about Public Health Department, how you have to get information about Assam Public Service Commission, Assam government, and other such information, how you have to get it. So there are certain websites of the government which you have to refer, like Legislative Assembly of Assam and Public Service Commission Assam, Assam government and Public Health Department of Assam. And you should have some knowledge about the cabinet ministers of different departments like Public Health Department and all, government policies, central government policies related to health, those information should be there with you. So knowledge about the Assam, knowledge about you, knowledge about what is going on recently, and then some HR questions typical, that is what you should be aware, and also at the same time some technical subject. अब टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए आपको कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, ये टेक्निकल मेंटर आपको गाइड करेंगे, और आपका एचआर पार्ट जो आपसे रिलेटेड है, आपका एकेडमिक्स, आपका बैकग्राउंड, आपकी जॉब, अगर आप कहीं जॉब कर रहे हैं, सपोज यू आर वर्किंग इन एलएनटी एंड यू आर गोइंग फॉर असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर पोस्ट, व्हाई यू वांट टू लीव एलएनटी, व्हाट यू हैव डन इन दैट जॉब, व्हाई यू वांट असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर पोस्ट, व्हाई पब्लिक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट ओनली, इफ यू ज्वाइन अवर डिपार्टमेंट, how your past experience is going to be helpful, so what new you will do, where do you see yourself in this department after a couple of years. So these kind of questions they are going to ask you. तो HR part होता है और technical part होता है, plus government से related questions होते हैं friends. So start your preparation as soon as possible. And other than knowledge, I mean knowledge is important, but the most important thing is practice. If you have knowledge but no practice, the knowledge will not come out in the interview. So if you go to the interview stage, अगर आपने बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया है, सेशंस लगाए हैं मेंटर्स के साथ, अलग अलग तरह के क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने आपसे पूछे हैं जो आपकी बैकग्राउंड से रिलेटेड हैं, then you will feel comfortable and confident to answer those. Otherwise you may not feel confident. So start preparation so that you are in position to answer their questions. All the very best friends. If your name is in this list, first thing you should do is get in touch with the Yourpedia mentors and start your preparation. Thank you.